Hello makers, I hope you are all doing well. So today's demonstration is about a project of Morse Code Communication. So Morse Code Communication, as you can see on the screen, it is represented by a combination of dots and dashes. Like here on screen you can see A represents dot and dash, D represents dash, dot, dot. So let's start and upload our sketch. While it is uploading, let me show you a person who invented it. Here it is, Samuel Morse, and our sketch has been uploaded. So open the serial monitor and our code, and let's write a Morse code. Let's write a Morse code for Arduino. Let's see what happens. Okay, the left push button is for dot and the right push button is for dash. So if I want to write the Arduino Morse code, the first letter is A, which would be represented by dot and dash. So here comes dot, here comes dash, and now there is a space between a letter, so for that we need to enter 2 @ this @ represents spaces between letters. Now we need to write R, which is dot dash dot dash dot, and now again the space between letters, which is represented by @. Then we have D dash dot dot. Let me do this quickly. For I we have dot dot, and then for N we have dash dot, and last is our O, which is represented by dash dash dash. Now we need to press 1 and then enter. Here we have our Morse code translation Arduino. So this was the demonstration. Thank you for watching. And one more thing, recently I learned voice recognition of Arduino using C#. So let me show you a demo of it, which would be my upcoming videos tutorial. So here it is, and run it. Start. Now listen. Arduino, say bye bye to makers.
Bye bye makers.
Good.
Pleasure is all mine.
So it was this.
Pleasure is all mine.
Thanks. Take care.